Hi there. So here are the truly wireless earbuds from pTron. Now the prime reason I got this is firstly its price, 999 rupees for these. Can you believe it, truly wireless earbuds for under 1000 rupees? And the best part is pTron even calls them Bassbuds, which means they produce amazing bass. Now I've been using them for a couple of weeks. I wanted to use them, experience them so that I could make a full review. Just at the beginning I can tell you they're just too good. For 999 rupees, I'm sold. Of course, we'll do a full review and you shouldn't miss it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So let's talk about the build quality. We'll start with the case. The top of the case has a semi-transparent plastic. The plastic quality is decent. It's not the best. It gets a lot of scratches though, but it's a semi-transparent. So the benefit of that is when the earbuds are charging inside, you can see it even without opening the cover, which is a very good feature in a way because you already know that the earbuds are charged or they're still charging. So that's a great thing. The quality of the case is also okay. The build quality is fine. It's nothing great, but it's not bad either. There is a battery indicator in front of the case, and with blue lights on the front, it will let you know how much it is charged. There is a micro USB charging port on the back. The charging cable is provided in the box. There are two extra silicone earbuds also in the box for different sizes. Coming to the earbuds, they're actually quite bulky and they look quite big. Now there are blue rings on the top, tactile button in the center to pause, play, to change tracks, to enable Siri. All those features are available. The quality is decent. The plastic quality is not that great. They don't look premium clearly. So the build quality is just about okay. So coming to the fit. So these are truly wireless earbuds. So they actually snug into your ear canal. But the outside portion of the earbuds are actually quite bulky, and that is why they sometimes fall off. They don't get a very good grip in your ear set. So they're not that heavy though. They're just 28 grams. But I saw that they would be falling off very often. They're okay for casual listening, for music, for flights, for traveling, and for movies. For all that, they're fine. For gym and running, I'm sure you're going to drop them. So they're not as good for gymming and for workouts. And they also are a little bulky. They stick out a little. They're a little big on their size as well. But that's not something I'm truly worried about. The thing is that it didn't fit that well. But there was something I did which really helped me. So I changed the silicone buds that came along in the box and they fit a lot better. After that, they didn't fall, and your ears also adapt to it. And then you can get it to move as much as you want and still they don't fall. So this is one thing you can try if you buy these, that you can change the buds and see what get a better grip in your ear canal, and that is how they will fit more better. Moving to the pairing, it's super easy. Open the case, remove them from the case, and you see a blue and red light blinking. That means they're in pairing mode. Go to your phone Bluetooth settings. Right there you will see the pTron earbuds pop up. Click on it, and when you click on one, the other one automatically pairs, which is amazing. After that, all you need to do is just plug into your ears and they're working. You put them back in the case and they're turned off. In the case, there is a button to turn on charging also. You click that button and they start charging rapidly, which is a good feature. So coming to the most important point, sound quality. Amazing. Bass, brilliant. Volume goes really loud. Mids and highs, okay. But bass heads, you will love it. They get really loud, and actually I was barely reaching 50% and I thought that they're already very loud. So don't damage your ears. Make sure you keep them at reasonable volumes. So if you like to listen to hip hop, rock music, thump music, you're going to love it. Classical music, guys, no. But if you're looking for good bass, loud music, you're going to just love it. Trust me, this is one reason why even I'm sticking to these. Alright, coming to the battery life. So the box, this is 6 hours, but I got around 3 hours with 50% of volume. Each of the buds has around 50 mAh battery, which is quite good actually. That is actually what makes them so bulky also, but still they're good. 3 hours of battery is pretty okay. It took 1 hour to fully charge them from 0 to 100. The case also is pretty decent. It holds 400 mAh battery, which means it can charge your earbuds around 3 to 4 times. Not 4 times, but 3 times for sure, which is quite okay. And for the price, it's already too much to ask for. 3 hours of battery life, 3 times the charges, pretty great. In fact, if you keep the volume lower, like 30-40%, you could even get 4 or 5 hours. I've not tried them, but I think the battery life or 3 hours is also pretty decent for these small earbuds. So the Bassbuds also have tactile buttons on each of them to answer calls, to reject calls. You press them once to play and pause, you press them twice for next track, you press them thrice for previous track, and you press and hold to enable Siri and Google Voice Assistant. Now there is no way you can control volume on these. I so wish there was an option. Like, I think they should quit the previous track option and put volume. I rather have 3 clicks for volume up and 3 clicks for volume down rather than having previous track. Write down in the comments and let me know. I think this should be adapted more than the tracks. We need to adjust the volume more often than changing the tracks. I think so. But anyways, it's got the controls, the tactile buttons are good, they're pretty responsive, and they do a job well. So the Bassbuds also have built-in microphone for phone calls. Indoors, the call quality is quite good. I could hear the opposite person, and the opposite person didn't complain about any voice problem. Outdoor, it was equally bad. Outdoor, man, too much of ambient sound. The opposite person could barely hear me. I had to go back to my phone. So if you're using these for indoor phone calls, they're pretty okay. Outdoors, just too bad. So I also played some games and watched videos, and I wanted to talk about latency. But before that, I should let you know that the Bassbuds support Bluetooth 5.0, which actually reduce battery consumption and lower latency, which is great. So while watching movies, I really didn't feel anything, and it was quite okay. I didn't feel the latency at all, in fact. But while playing games, yes, there was a decent amount of latency, but the sound was just so good, the bass and the volume was just so good that I kept going back even after the latency while playing games. So if you are someone who's a hardcore gamer, PUBG player, then I think these are not for you, because then you're going to feel that the sound is a little delayed. But if you're watching movies or videos, they're pretty okay. You really don't realize the difference. In gaming, I felt that the delay was more noticeable than it was for movies and videos. Alright, my final thoughts. So if you like loud music and heavy bass, close your eyes and get these. For 999 rupees, it's really hard to bargain. Yes, I did feel that they didn't hold in very well, but that problem was solved after I changed the silicone earbud. So overall, they're quite good. Sound quality, very good. Call quality, pretty decent. For 999 rupees, it's just an easy buy. Just go and get it. I'll leave the links in the description. If you're looking to buy a wireless earbuds and you have a lower budget, just close your eyes and get these. If there are any questions, don't forget to write down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.